Nelson, New Zealand, a beautiful area of New Zealand's South Island, home to the Nelson Society of Modelers. 2018 has been a busy year for the club, hosting the successful 2018 Steam and Cinders convention and now celebrating 6 decades of model engineering in the Tahunanui area. Running from Saturday to Monday of Labour weekend, model engineers and enthusiasts gathered from all around New Zealand for a weekend full of fun and celebration. Join us for the Nelson Society of Modelers 60th anniversary celebrations. Saturday the 20th of October gave the opportunity for a members-only run during the day, allowing for all trains and enthusiasts to get out and have some fun at the club. Later that night, the public night run began with beautiful weather and a bustling crowd. The trains warmed up in the steaming bays before eventually departing and kicking off the night. Some of the model engineering highlights from the weekend included the 2 DXC mainline diesel class locomotives running together, numbers 5189 and 5206. The ex-Tom Miller Rio Grande K36 number 482 was a highlight of steam-powered engines on the weekend, now running under ownership of Ian Welch. The following Sunday and Monday were public running days, allowing the Nelson community to come down for a train ride during the day on either the raised or ground level track. Sunday began with a grand parade for the raised and ground tracks. See here, the double-headed steam power leads the way.
3, 1.
Nelson is further becoming known as one of New Zealand's best model engineering clubs. From the countless facilities on offer to the huge variety of possibilities in model engineering from boats, planes, trains and more. But without the people behind the scenes in providing the endless entertainment and service, it would not have been possible. A huge thank you to all those people and everybody else. We hope to be back next year.